Hey there, folks. CXPEAS05 here. That's right, folks. CXPEAS05 is coming back to YouTube after being on hiatus for 1.5 years ever since I created another channel from my main channel, which is when I created other channels that I used to create back in 2021. So I moved the CXPEAS05 to my main channel, where I used to create back in 2021. So let me explain what happened to the CXPEAS05 channel. Well, I used to create a CXPEAS05 channel back in 2021 when I started. I started my EAS videos on my CXPEAS05 channel back then. I started making that since September 29th of 2021. As when my first EAS videos. Yeah, September 29th, 2021 marks my first EAS videos since then. But then after all the way to 2022 is when I did some hypothetical EAS catches. That's probably one of the main reasons why I was doing the hypothetical EAS catches. That's the reason why I had the time. That's the reason why I did the hypothetical ones. And y'all are wondering, and counting every single station. That might sound even more crazy. Yeah, that sounds too crazy to count every single station you're not near, which is even more crazier. So that's one of the main reasons why I did that. I did that hypothetical catch there. But that turned out to be a bad idea for that. And I was like, scratch that. I had to scratch that off and put it on hiatus for like 1.5 years, since August, I believe August 2022. Yes, 2022. Right now it's February 2024, and today is now February 14th. So happy Valentine's Day to you all. Hopefully you'll have someone to be your Valentine's there. So, with that being said, hopefully the CXPEAS05 channel that I will now be moved to my main channel will now have a better EAS count, better catches, without making the crazy hypothetical catch that I did last time. And hopefully that hypothetical catch will never happen again. So therefore, we're going to have a better EAS catches on the CXPEAS05 channel that I used to have back in 2021. So hopefully we'll get this video going. Hopefully this will be my first time catching the weekly test ever since hopefully the weekly test should be successful. So, that being said, enjoy the rest of the video.
And this is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. This test was originating from Ruskin, Florida. It was also the test of the shipping system of specific message decoders, which will let you know which counties are affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 and noon. And this is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. This test was
the funniest weekly test I've ever heard.
Florida, southern Florida, southwest Florida, and Gulf of Mexico for today and tonight. It says a model says
So happy Valentine's Day, TBW.
it's Fort Myers, southwest Florida International. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed to the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated only for warnings and selected watches affecting the South Florida counties. In addition to the regular alarm tone, the NOAA weather radio system is equipped with an additional warning service called SAME that is short for Specific Area Message Encoder. Unlike the normal tone of 1050 Hz, which activates all alarmable NWR radios monitoring the station, SAME allows people with a special receiver to be notified of watches and or warnings affecting only the county desired. SAME radios are especially useful for schools, hospitals, businesses, government agencies, and commercial radio and television. For more information regarding the SAME program, contact your local National Weather Service office.
Wow, happy Valentine's Day to you too, MFL. Oh, really? WSRZ?
Services, and we want to tell you all about.
Isn't that what I guessed? I guessed raspberry. You said no.
guessed-
I did
no.
guess raspberry.
No.
I knew that was going to be a weekly.
This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area.
I recognized that voice before.
This is also a test of the same system or specific area message encoder. The same system will...
I'm using my phone. I'm not using my camcorder today.
These tests are conducted each Wednesday.
I already used one today.
This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area. Originating from Western Florida. This is also a test of the same system or specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.
I was trying to keep my EO4 down channel 6. So, and there you have it.